Alright guys, so we're going to hang out with a pretty cool Charger. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is my Jeep with a 5.7. This is my Charger RT. It has a cam, long tube headers, 3-inch MagnaFlow catback exhaust, and a 392 intake manifold, along with a Genetti racing tune. But today we're not going to go in here. We're going to give the Charger a little bit of a rest. And also too, it has Mickey Thompson's in the back. ET Street R's. We're going to take the Monte Carlo, and this Monte has a 5.3 liter V8. Not exactly the fastest thing in the world, but before we get started, I'll do a cold start on the Charger, and then we're going to hop in there and meet up with my buddy with this pretty badass Charger. So here we go. right, guys, so this is the second video of the Charger with the Smyth body kit. Now, the owner has a 6.1 in there, bone stock, but he did play with the exhaust. And right now, what I want to kind of talk to you guys about is what the next moves are with this bad boy. He's planning on doing a couple of things, not really performance related, but still some nice future modifications. So I'll kick it off to him. And definitely make sure you give him a follow on Instagram if you have it. So,
all right. So most of it's done. I'm not planning on doing too much engine work. You know, a supercharger would be nice, but you know, that's money. I do have to finish the interior. I want to do some nice fiberglass enclosures for the stock subwoofer that was in the trunk, which is missing now.
okay.
And you know, do some nice tweeters in the back. Finish the headrest. I got to finish the surround around the sunroof. But you know, that's all future stuff. I'm not too motivated to do.
Yeah, and you know, it's going to be a little on the pricey side there too. So,
yeah, not fiberglass either, so you know, it'll take me a little while to figure it out.
so you're going to have enough room back there for
Maybe figure it out.
Okay. So with a supercharger, I hear with the 6.1, you can kind of get away with not really doing anything other than putting a supercharger
From
in
what
there.
I hear, you don't have to do any major modifications. You could just supercharge it and
Run like 6-7 pounds of boost
get
and
another 100 horsepower out of it.
Yeah.
Which would be an animal in this thing. But you know, it still is a heavy car though. It still weighs, still got to be around 4,000 pounds. So
I mean,
that much weight. But
this kit definitely lightened it up. What'd you say last time? I think it was like 400 pounds or something like that.
The guy at Smyth Performance, the guy Mark, he thinks around 200 pounds, but
200?
It has to be up there towards 400.
Because you light up those tires pretty good.
Yeah, but I don't know. So yeah, between 2 and 4.
Stock. What do you think?
Each door was around 85 to like 90 pounds. So
Yeah.
so I don't know. I've definitely lost a lot more than 200. I in my opinion.
Stock. What is it? Like 4,300 pounds or something
Yeah,
like that?
roughly, yeah, roughly.
So you're
It's still around 4,000 pounds. It's still a heavy car. So.
yeah. All right, guys. So his Instagram is going to be on the screen. If you want to keep up with the modifications and the build, definitely go check him out. He has a few other cars, but to me, this is the gem. Yeah. All right, guys. Have a good one, man.